Hello and welcome to Hobby Days. In this video I'll be showing you how to do an invisible colour change in the back loop only of your stitches, a process I use for this cute little pig snout. If you fancy having a go at making it, you'll find the link to all of my patterns in the description below. However, if you're looking to do a regular invisible colour change, check out my previous video as the process is slightly different. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make an invisible stitch, and we want to even out this step that's created by working in a spiral shape. So pull up the working yarn. I've probably overdone it a little bit there, but 3 to 4 inches is plenty. And now cut this yarn, pull through like so. Now thread your needle, and we're going to skip the first stitch and work into the next stitch from the front to the back. Now skipping this stitch again and still working from the front to the back, sew the yarn into the back loop and also this little bump here. And now with a little pushing and pulling, you can tease the work into the correct shape. Okay, starting with the new colour, we're going to make a slip knot. Insert your crochet hook. And we're going to begin by working into the back loop of the invisible stitch that we just made. And if you just hold this tail at the back of the work, it stops that invisible stitch becoming loose. And now complete the stitch in the usual way. You'll notice this new tail automatically tries to flip over to the inside. So just hold on to that to keep everything nice and neat. And then we're going to continue all the way around working in just this back loop. Just pause the video here and I'll show you what to do when you get to the end of this round. Okay, so I've got one more stitch to work. There we go. And you'll see it gives a really nice effect around the snout. And now we continue to work the following round according to the pattern, and we want to go through both loops of this stitch. So that's the first stitch of the next round. And don't worry about this here, we're going to sort that out. Once we've completed the next round, we'll tie the ends off. I'll show you how to neaten that up. And that makes 4. And now I'm going to place a stitch marker in the first stitch of that round. And pause the video again and I'll show you what to do when you get to the end. And there's our last stitch. Now we just need to neaten things up a little bit. Just here. So this tail here from the invisible stitch we made just needs tightening a little. Just pinch the work between your finger and thumb and pull it nice and tight. We're going to pull this one a little bit tighter too. And then working on the inside of the piece, just tie those two tails together to secure. And then just tuck them inside. And there you have it. Not too bad at all. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like and subscribe to see more, and feel free to leave a comment. And I will see you next time.